Summer holidays. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and your children are bored. Fear not, dear parents, for we have the ultimate guide to keeping your little ones entertained, educated, and exhausted, so you can finally binge-watch that series you've been eyeing. Whether you have tiny tots or pre-teens, we've got you covered with activities that are fun, engaging, and, most importantly, sanity-saving. So, grab your iced coffee, put on your superhero cape or apron, and let's dive in. Welcome back to Resources for Life, the small channel with big ambitions. Crafts are not just fun, they're a fantastic way to boost creativity and fine motor skills. Plus, they keep kids busy for hours, giving you some much-needed quiet time. Rock painting. Head to your local park, collect some smooth rocks, and let your kids' imaginations run wild with paints. Who knew a rock could become a ladybug monster, or even a glittering gem? DIY slime. It's gooey, stretchy, and oddly satisfying. You'll need glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Add food coloring or glitter for extra pizzazz. Paper plate masks. With some paper plates, markers, and yarn, kids can create masks of their favorite animals or characters. Perfect for impromptu plays. Set up a craft corner with all the supplies they might need. It's like a mini art studio right at home, and less mess on the kitchen table. Fresh air and exercise are crucial for children's development. Plus, it's the perfect way to tire them out. Scavenger hunt. Create a list of items for your kids to find in the backyard or local park. Think types and shapes of leaves, rocks, specific flowers, or even insects. DIY obstacle course. Use what you have: jump ropes, hula hoops, old tires, and cones. Kids can race through the course, improving their agility and coordination. Water balloon. Cool down on a hot day with a good old-fashioned water balloon battle. Just make sure to clean up the balloon pieces afterward. Turn outdoor time into a daily adventure. Create a weekly theme like Bug Week or Nature Week, where you focus on different aspects of the great outdoors. Please consider a like and subscribe to this small growing channel. You are very much appreciated. Cooking with kids is a double win. They learn valuable life skills and you get help in the kitchen. Plus, it's a sneaky way to introduce new foods. DIY pizza. Let the kids roll out the dough and choose their toppings. It's messy but oh so fun and delicious. Cookie decorating. Bake some plain cookies and set out an array of sprinkles, icing, and candies for the kids to create their edible masterpieces. Smoothie station. Let them pick fruits, veggies, and add-ins for their custom smoothies. It's a healthy treat and a cool science experiment in one. Embrace the mess. Cooking with kids is rarely neat, but the memories and photos are worth it. Reading is fundamental, and creating a cozy reading nook, or if the weather is good, an outdoor reading camp, can make it feel like a special adventure. Build a reading fort. Use blankets, pillows, and fairy lights to create a magical reading space. Fill it with their favorite books and let the story time begin. Storytime theater. Act out stories with simple costumes and props. It's a great way to bring books to life and encourage a love for reading. Library hunts. Visit your local library and participate in their summer reading programs. Many libraries have fun challenges and rewards for young readers. Encourage a mix of reading alone and reading together. Sharing stories can be a bonding experience and an opportunity to discuss important themes. Science experiments are educational, exciting, and often involve some cool explosions, controlled, of course. Baking soda and vinegar volcano, classic but always a hit. Use Play-Doh to build a volcano, add baking soda, and pour in the vinegar for a fizzy eruption. Rainbow in a jar. Layer different liquids like honey, dish soap, water, and oil to create a colorful liquid rainbow. Teach density concepts while mesmerizing the kids. Magic milk. Pour milk into a shallow dish, add drops of food coloring, then dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch it to the milk. Watch the colors dance. Safety first. Always supervise science experiments and explain the science behind the magic to make it a learning experience. Imaginative play helps develop social skills, problem solving, and creativity. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Pirate treasure hunt. Create a treasure map and hide treasure around the house or yard. Dress up as pirates and embark on a swashbuckling adventure. Space mission. Transform a room into a spaceship with cardboard boxes and tinfoil. Have the kids go on a space mission, complete with alien encounters and moonwalks. Fairy tale dress up. Create a costume box with old clothes, hats, and accessories. Let the kids pick their outfits and create their fairy tale stories. Join in the fun. Your participation can elevate the play and create unforgettable memories. While screen time should be moderated, educational apps and games can be both entertaining and beneficial. ABC Mouse. This app offers a comprehensive learning experience for kids aged 2 to 8, with activities that cover reading, math, art, and music. Khan Academy Kids. Free and educational, this app includes a variety of interactive activities and lessons for young children. Minecraft Education Edition. A fun way to teach kids about engineering, planning, and even some basic coding. Set time limits for tech use and balance it with other activities to ensure a well-rounded day. Keeping kids active is crucial for their physical and mental health, not to mention the benefits to parents too. Plus, it helps burn off that boundless energy. Family dance party. Turn up the music and have a dance-off. It's a great way to get moving and have fun together. Kids yoga. Follow along with child-friendly yoga videos on YouTube. It's a calming way to start or end the day. Sports day. Organize mini-sports events like races, sack jumps, or a mini-Olympics. Award medals, homemade of course, to celebrate their efforts. Make fitness a family affair. Kids are more likely to stay active if they see you enjoying it too. Introducing kids to different cultures broadens their horizons and fosters empathy and understanding. World Cuisine Nights. Pick a country and cook a traditional meal together. Learn a few words in the native language and enjoy the cultural experience. Virtual museum tours. Many museums offer virtual tours. Explore the Louvre, the Smithsonian, or the Natural History Museum without leaving your living room. Cultural crafts. Make crafts inspired by different cultures, like African masks, Japanese origami, or Native American dream catchers. Create a passport for your kids and stamp it for each country you explore. It's a fun way to track their cultural adventures. Teaching kids mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help them manage stress and emotions. Guided meditation. Use apps like Calm or Headspace that offer kid-friendly meditation sessions. Gratitude journals. Encourage kids to write or draw things they are thankful for each day. It's a great way to foster positivity. Nature walks. Go on quiet walks and practice mindful listening and observation. What sounds can they hear? What colors do they see? Conclusion. The ultimate summer of fun. Keeping your kids occupied during the long summer holidays doesn't have to be a Herculean task. With a little creativity, planning, and a dash of patience, you can turn these weeks into a whirlwind of fun, learning, and unforgettable memories. Remember, the key is variety and balance, for the grown-ups too. Mix active play with quiet time, outdoor adventures with indoor crafts, and learning with pure, unstructured fun. So embrace the chaos, laugh at the messes, and cherish the moments. After all, these are the days you'll look back on with a smile when the house is quiet once again. Happy summer, superhero parents, you got this. Thank you for watching.